how you don't like it, do you?
Austin, let's go deep.
Go to
Come on, let's go to the slide. I'll go with you. Come on.
They take you over to the side.
Come on, buddy.
Here comes Grandpa, Austin.
Let's go. I'll hold you. Me and Grandpa, me and Papa.
Yeah, I think he could. It's kind of low.
Okay, so it's Swim! Swim! It ain't bad. Swim!
Nice and cool, though.
I'm surprised that water's cool.
You know, we were down here
Cool.
Thursday with Katie's bunch, and Johnny and I were out in the canoe fishing, and I put my hand in the water, and the water was cool.
Really?
Yeah, you know, and it's been 100 degrees for the last week
Yeah.
every day, so. In fact, it's been 105, 107.
Yeah, you would think it would
Dad
be.
put water on the slide, though. Yeah, the lake's down.
Like water, you could all be all the way up here, right?
Yeah.
Well, I know, but I'm just saying, is it?
It's not down quite. It usually doesn't.
You gotta climb up there.
About so far in the sea. But it gets up to almost the top of the dock.
Yeah. I mean, I just remember being down there when the dock was covered.
Bobby.
High. Why did they make that dock so high?
Go down the slide.
Look all around.
You end up only up to your waist.
Try
See all around.
There you go.
Help him, Mom.
Rosie, help him.
There you go.
Come on. Swim to Papa. Swim. There you go. Hold on. You got it? He ain't gonna stop now. Kit, you don't want me to hold you? Where are you going? You want to go in? You want to go play with your truck? Papa will help you. It's okay. It's okay, buddy. You're doing it. Blow your bubbles. Here, you want me to hold you?
You can probably walk over there, can't you?
Here you go, buddy boy.
Don't drink the water, Austin.
You want to jump off where Joe is? You know how to jump in the water?
He's smiling.
Oh, he's fine. You want to go down the slide again? Yeah? Go back?